So this Galaxy C5, the US Air Force biggest airplane, is using a good tire, Goodyear tire. And let's try to measure with this. Wow, this is about 46 inch. Look at that. 46 inch wide. And from side to side is about 16 inch thick. This tire is about 46 inch high and about 16 inch thick. It's more than a roller. And look at that, each side is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another 6 over there. It about 12 times 2 because it has on the other side, that's 24 tires. But look at the front, there's another 4 tires. So that's for a total of 28 tires. So this Galaxy C5 is equipped with 28 tires.